In today's video, we are going to cover how to create an expense claim in QuickBooks Online. Begin in QuickBooks Online with the left navigation menu. Open Expenses. Then select Expenses to go to the expense list. This is where existing expense entries appear, and it is also where you can start a new one. Once that page is open, click New Expense to create a fresh expense claim. The expense form will open on screen. Start by selecting the payee. For an expense claim, this is typically the employee or person submitting the claim. Make sure you choose the correct name before moving on, since that links the expense to the right person in your records. Next, choose the payment account. This tells QuickBooks which account is being used for the expense payment. After that, enter the payment date. Use the date that matches when the expense is being recorded or paid based on how you want it reflected in your books. These details appear near the top of the form, so it is a good point to pause and confirm they are correct before entering the line items. Now add the expense details in the main section of the form. Select the appropriate category for the expense so QuickBooks places it in the right area of your accounts. Then enter the amount for that line. If needed, add a description to clarify what the expense was for. The description can be useful when you review transactions later or when someone else looks through the record. If the claim includes more than one expense type, continue filling out the lines shown on the form using the same pattern of category, amount, and description. If you have a receipt or another supporting document, attach it to the expense claim. Look for the option to add an attachment on the form, then upload the file from your device. This keeps the documentation stored with the transaction, which can help when reviewing expenses later. If no file is available, you can continue without attaching anything. Before saving, review the entire expense claim for accuracy. Check the payee, payment account, payment date, and each expense line. Make sure the category selection matches the expense, the amount is entered correctly, and the description says what you need it to say. If you attach the receipt, confirm that it appears with the transaction. This review helps prevent corrections later and keeps the claim aligned with the supporting details. When everything looks correct, choose either Save and Close or Save and New. Save and Close records the expense claim and returns you to the previous screen. Save and New records it and opens another blank expense form if you need to enter another claim right away. Your expense claim is now recorded in QuickBooks Online.